right, so a lot of additional prep work is now complete in terms of getting this ready for new sills. I took out the concrete blocks, cut out the rotten sill from this section back here, ended up putting in a temporary post, and the load from the loft is now carried on that temporary post, not on this lower sill here, so that's still just sitting there, but there's no load on that right now. So we're ready to dig this out, and then once this is dug out, I'll be able to tear out this member here, at least on this side of this post, although there's no load there. However, there is load bearing down from the front post right there. So we're set to dig, and then it will be time to reconstruct foundation. Well, the front here is now all dug out. All the material that was in there is dug out. I rolled the tractor back and forth, in and out through there to try and compact that soil there. And if you can see, I've got a string across here. That is marking the base of sill, taking a straight line from that corner to the other corner. Based on the string, that section right there at that post does need to come up a little bit. Same is true here. And I will need to actually work through and dig this down and get more space here, because the string is bottom of sill, but I also want to put 1.5 inches of pressure treated lumber underneath. So what I need to do is actually have the surface of any stone foundations be 1.5 inches below this string. Unfortunately, this corner is still a little bit low, so I'm not going to be level if I follow this straight from corner to corner, but at least it will be a straight line. And what I might do is cheat it and make it so that it's level from there over and then kind of slope it from here. So at this point, everything's ready to start constructing new foundation across the front of the barn. So that's pretty exciting. I'll build it in the sections between where the posts are, and then what'll happen is I'll have to jack up the posts, get rid of the sill that's there, and construct the support underneath that. That'll happen as the new sills are ready to go in.